They are the young Somali doctors on a mission, that of creating a national blood bank for Mogadishu hospitals. The awareness campaign is mostly done in universities and public places such as the Mogadishu Peace Garden.
Our mission at Somali Blood Donation Volunteers is to ensure that no Somali woman or mother will die of morbidity and mortality. We plan on creating a national database for a blood bank where we will have addresses for each and every donor and volunteer.
The organizers of this program, mainly young medical doctors and graduates from universities such as this one, hope to create a national blood bank, and they are targeting young university students whom they hope will participate in the blood donation exercise. This day, the Somali Blood Donation Volunteer team visits a local university. To some of the students, donating blood is a new thing. But after a little explanation, the students, mostly female, queue up for registration.
Women are the most affected in our society. I have joined this campaign here today. I hope the women do the same and donate blood, since we don't have a national blood bank in Somalia.
The blood donation exercise is done in hospitals. The organizers of this event invited one of the registered volunteers to donate blood at Medina Hospital, one of the main hospitals that deals with emergency cases in the city.
In case of emergency, what our patients need is blood, not food, not water. It's very important to have a blood bank, one that will help us, especially when explosions take place in the city. The young doctors behind this campaign are doing a great job. They are linking voluntary blood donors to hospitals in dire need of blood.
Presently, though, Somalia faces a number of challenges in ensuring safe blood supply and safe blood transfusion services. The Somali Blood Donation Volunteers are aware of the challenges ahead, but say that blood donation is a gift that not only saves lives, but also helps people live longer and more productive lives. Abdul Aziz Bilo, CCTV, Mogadishu, Somalia.